Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. I did not expect to see one of these still rolling the roads. This is a 1987 Subaru. I think it's a Legacy. They may not have even called it a Legacy. It just might be called the Sedan, but holy cow, it's in good shape. All the Subarus were all-wheel drive, which was kind of cool. This one is very, very rust-free for what it is. Double squares, hadn't moved on to the newer style of rounded headlights at that point, not the old Subaru badging. And I think it's a 1.8. These are all flat four. Subaru has stuck with the flat four idea, which is, you know, good for them, I guess. It doesn't work great for them because of the head gasket issues and now oil consumption issues, but they're trying. Yeah, 1.8 liter here. It's nice. So we'll take a look, and it's clean. Like, it hasn't been bashed. It's not terribly rusty. And there's some rust. That was the biggest flaw with Subarus of any era, is rust issues. They just don't do a great job with that. On the inside here, look at that beautiful dash. Only 133,000 miles on it. That is a shock to me that that thing's sitting in a junkyard with that low mileage, but it probably blew a head gasket and just wasn't worth the cost of repair. Seats aren't torn. Foam is a little bit done for. You can see it's kind of sagged out. Before airbags, obviously. Now this one is a 5-speed. Not an automatic. A lot of cars back in the day were not. Manual windows, manual locks. It is a 4-door, of course. Pretty decent trunk space on these too. And yeah, it was just called the DL. So at this point, they were just Subarus. They weren't Legacies. They weren't Outbacks. They were just Subarus. That's a really deep. I like that trunk. It's nice. And that squared off look still has some value as far as I'm concerned. I think these are good looking cars. Anyway, there it is, 1987 Subaru DL. Love it. Till next time, my friends, take care.